Okay, today, this is going to be a really short video. It's just a color spotlight for this color from Ellen Wille. Now this wig is Girl Mono. You've seen it, I've reviewed it, you've seen it many times, but what you haven't seen is this color on it. This is Stone Gray Rooted, 56, 60, 58. Now, Ellen Wille did something pretty neat. They took a lot of customer feedback and they added 3 colors to Girl Mono. This color, they added Platinum Blonde Rooted and Pearl Blonde Rooted. So those colors will now be available on Girl Mono. I'm really glad they did that. I like this style. I have it in several colors and I was really glad to see it in this pretty gray. I want you to have a look at it. So again, 56, 60, 58. So you have these different shades of brown. I really want you to see how they run through here. And then there is the lightest bit of blonde as well. Pearl white, of course, and 60 is white, as we know. And it has a lot of gray in here. Look at this beautiful gray. And then these dark shaded roots, as you see. I'm going to show you this in outdoor lighting as well, but I just really wanted to give you a look at this beautiful color, Stone Gray Rooted from Ellen Wille. Okay, so let's just quickly compare it. I have, this color is Dark Snow Mix, and I have it on the style Rich Mono. And just giving you a little look. This is very similar, as you can tell, except for this color is dark at the nape. But the rest of it is very similar to this, as you can see. And then I have the style Divine, which I think this is such a beautiful style. And this one is Silver Blonde Rooted. Now, looking at the difference here, and I will insert a side-by-side photo of these so you can really tell. But this one has more of this pearl blonde running through it. So I can really tell that when I have this side-by-side. Much more gray here and pearl blonde on this one. Really pretty. Now, if you haven't seen Girl Mono or you're not familiar with it, let's just talk about it for just a minute. It has a lace front and a mono part. It's a beautiful wavy style, just has a lot of movement here. Really popular style for Ellen Wille. Now the specs of Girl Mono coming in at the bang is 6.5 inches. So it has this 6.5 inch bang. The crown of this one is 7.5. Has nice specs on this. The sides are 9 and it has a 5-inch nape. So those are the specs on Girl Mono. Here's a quick look at the inside of the cap for Girl Mono. Lace front, mono part, a little permatease here, not a huge amount. Closed ear tabs with stays, it's open wefted, and it also has an extended felt nape. And there's a lot of stretch in this one. And here's another look at this color, just so you can get a good idea how pretty that is.